Yay! Hey, we got two. Come on. We got white and red.
Hey, record us.
It's already recording. We're gonna get these bird burps.
Coolest kids in the world, and we're watching trucks.
And there's a loggy truck.
And there's a logger truck. Robino.
Come down.
We bless it.
Let's do this.
My truck, and we bless it. My big one.
White truck's coming first. Let's do the white truck.
But,
They come to my brother's birthday party. That's another one that way. You see a rubber? Oh, you found a Robino! You found a Robino! Right there, right there! Good! Bye, 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 bye! That's alright. Bark, 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 bark. You already bird burped. There's his truck. Say hi. You can go almost to the corner. I'll follow you. Oh, you go almost to the corner. You want to get a bird burp?
Can I go to the corner?
I said we could get almost to the corner. Okay, as far as go. Okay, don't go around.